I'm about to combine two gradebooks. To do this, I click on the button here. It says combine multiple classes into a gradebook. I click on this. And I have to pick a master class first, and I'm going to combine School of Rock. So I'll go here, and here's my intro section, and here's my advanced section. And for reasons whatever, I decide I want to combine these together. I then click on the second option. So I have a master course and then my one that's going to be connected with it. Once I do that, I'll scroll back to the top and click Combine Classes. It's now telling me it's going to delete any assignments that are in there. And so I have to make sure that I have, the beginning of the term is probably the best time to do this. And then I click Combine. And when I'm done, I have my gradebooks down here. And I can click here for the combined view, or I can look at each individual separately, which is really exciting. Well, let's say I decide that I don't want them combined together. I can separate them out. And when I click on this option, I select the course I want to separate out, and I can separate classes and delete the scores, or I can separate classes and copy the scores into each individual book. And so I get a little warning up here saying this cannot be undone, and then I click Separate Classes, and I wait for the process to do its magic, and when it's done, they'll be separated back out with the scores being copied because I chose that option. And this is the end of my introduction. I'm just going to actually just close this window, and you'll see that they are now separated back out. Hopefully that makes sense. Thanks for watching.